The legend has evolved. The all-new Toyota Land Cruiser 300 is the best Land Cruiser yet. And after years of fine-tuning, the Land Cruiser 300 certainly has storage down to a fine art.
Plenty of room up there, mate?
Yeah, there sure is. Nice and sturdy too, huh?
This Toyota Genuine roof tray with the optional side rails is the ultimate roof carrying system. It's been strength and durability tested, and it will significantly boost your cargo capacity. Be sure to tie your loads down well and just be mindful of the weight capacities. When packing in the back of the vehicle, always try to keep your heavier items down low. And if possible, try not to pack too high and obscure the driver's vision. And when you're packing something you can't quite fit into your vehicle,
Like fit all your gear in there.
the high-strength construction of the Toyota Genuine Towing Kit gives you peace of mind no matter what you're towing. Designed and integrated with the chassis, allowing it to be used as a rear recovery point. So a fantastic amount of storage on the Toyota Genuine roof tray and also in the back cabin of the 300 series. It looks like we're all packed up and ready to go. Whatever Australia throws at it, this Land Cruiser drives us home.